Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So very simple and straightforward. The top has a built-in handle that just pops right off, revealing our vacuum bag. So when it's nice and full, you'll just go ahead, you'll grab this little gray tab right here, you pull up and out of the way. You'll dispose of your old vacuum bag and visually look in here. Maybe you want to dump it over. If there's any crumbs or debris, compressed air, something like that to make sure that's nice and tidy. And then you'll take your new vacuum bag and in reverse order, you can follow the instructions there. You just line it up and then you just gently press it down in place. And now we have our new vacuum bag installed. Put the lid back on and you're all set and ready to go. Happy cleaning.